Breakups hurt. They break us down, leave us questioning our worth, and make the world feel heavy. But here's the truth. A breakup isn't the end. It's a beginning. This is your moment to rise, to rebuild, and to reclaim your power. Let's talk about healing after a breakup and turning your pain into the foundation for a stronger, happier you. This is your daily motivation video to take action. Step 1. Let yourself feel. Don't bury the pain. Cry, scream, write it all down. Your emotions are valid, and acknowledging them is the first step toward healing. But here's the key. Don't get stuck there. Feel it, then move forward. Step 2. Cut ties. Stop checking their social media. Stop waiting for their texts. Every time you look back, you're dragging yourself into the past. Healing happens when you create distance physically, emotionally, and digitally. Step 3. Take care of yourself. Eat well, exercise, sleep enough. Your body and mind are connected, and self-care is the ultimate act of self-love. When you take care of yourself, you remind the world and yourself that you matter. Step 4. Lean on your tribe. Talk to your friends, your family, those who love you unconditionally. Don't isolate yourself. Connection heals. Let them remind you of your worth and that life has so much more to offer. Step 5. Rediscover yourself. Start that hobby you've always wanted to try. Take that trip you've been putting off. This is your time to focus on you. Find joy in exploring who you are, independent of anyone else. Step 6. Reflect and learn. Write it down. What did this relationship teach you? What did you love? What will you never accept again? This isn't about regret. It's about growth. Healing after a breakup isn't just about letting go. It's about stepping into a wiser, stronger version of yourself. Step 7. Build your future. Breakups create space for new opportunities. Dream big. Set goals. Start working toward the life you've always wanted. This isn't just healing, it's transformation. And finally, remember this. You don't need someone else to complete you. You are whole, you are worthy, and you are enough. This breakup doesn't define you, it's a chapter, not the whole story. The pain you feel now is temporary, but the strength you build will last forever. So take this moment. Feel the pain, then let it go. Reclaim your life, rebuild your dreams, and rise stronger than ever before. Healing after a breakup isn't easy, but it's worth it. This is your time to shine. This is your daily motivation. Turn heartbreak into strength. Start your healing journey today.